Welcome back guys to IT Skills Up channel. So in this video we'll be performing our practice lab 202 manage Entra ID device registration. So in this is our first exercise configuring Entra device registration. So this is our scenario. I'll just quickly read it. Several users have asked to use their personal iOS, Android and Windows devices to access Contoso cloud resources. Since Contoso does not own the Windows devices, you do not want to have the users perform and enter join. Only Windows devices can be enter joined. Instead, you need to ensure that users are able to register their devices with Entra, which still allows you to apply company policy to apps as needed and still permit users to access Contoso resources. You will test out Enter device registration using Windows 11 device. So this is our task 1. Configure Enter ID device registration on our server 1. So I'm already logged in as the administrator and I'm in on the Enter admin center page. I'll need to go to devices and all devices and then device setting. This is our option here. And on this page, I'll need to select the all option. Users may register their devices with Microsoft Entra. So this is already selected. This option is grayed by default when Microsoft Intune is enabled in the tenant. This ensures that all users are able to register Windows 10 or newer personal iOS Android device with Entra. So perform an Entra registration, which is our task 2. Let's move to that and we'll move to our workstation 1 machine here. Okay, let's do that. And I'll just simply log in on the settings account. I'll need to go to our accounts and work or school account and then I'll need to join it to our domain, I guess. Let me see it. Settings. As you can see, go to accounts, access work or school account, and from here I'll need to click on connect. And with the Journey Sherman's ID, I'll join it in the Microsoft account, Windows email. Enter this. Simply, I'll enter this. No need to select these options, I believe. So these actions will set up the device as your organizations and give your organization full control over this device. These are the alternative options. Let me cross check. Hey, this is not getting enabled. Oh, so enter registration will perform. Okay, okay. Yes. This is the correct option. Validate enter join registration. Enter registration. Let's apply the credentials. User credentials. This is our user password. Okay, guys, I believe this I'm missing out something on this one. This is joining my organization. We just need to perform the enter registration, but here in this case it is getting joined, so I'll cancel this for now. Let me do a little sign out here. Okay. Probably I missed something. Let me sign out and sign in again on the workstation one. Admin password. Access work or school account. Innate. Strange. I'm not getting the proceed option here. I'm not sure why. Okay, now it came. Okay, so apparently it took a while. Enter password. So this is just an enter registration, guys. You'll see a difference in a moment. So this is registration is happening. So this is done. You're all set. Close this settings. And the validation part we'll do in our next video.